Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Core Paints. Today we are going to draw portrait of Amrit Maan and Sidhu Moosewala. Before starting, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications first. If we talk about the painting we are going to do today, this is with watercolors and this is one of most realistic paintings I did till now. So hope for the best. Along with the drawing, you will also get to know about Sidhu Moosewala and about Amrit Maan. So I am going to talk about their birth, about their origin, about their music, about when they started, about their instruments they used, about the labels they have worked with, and about their songs and when they got released, and about their controversies and all. So I'm gonna tell you all about them throughout the video, so stay tuned. And so let's start. If we talk about Amrit Maan, he is an Indian singer, lyricist, actor associated with Punjabi film and music industry. Amrit Maan born on 10 June 1992 in Gondiana Mandi, India. So he got fame after the release of his song Desi Da Drum in 2015. He is also known for his debut film Channa Mereya. Amrit Maan started his career in 2014 as a songwriter. His first song was Jat Fair Karda, sung by Punjabi music industry superstar Diljit Dosanjh. This song was a big hit. After that, Amrit Maan's career grew very quickly. He wrote many super hit songs like Yaar Jundi De, Haan Kar Gayi and many more. After getting success as lyricist, he released his debut song Desi Da Drum that was super hit, and this song broke many records. Amrit Maan released many hit songs after his breakthrough such as Kali Kumaro, Bam Chat and Pegdi Vashna. So if we talk about his all songs, in 2015 his songs were Desi Da Drum and Mujhte Mashook with the label Speed Records. In 2016 he sung Kali Kumaro, Pagdi Puni, Shikar, Sach Te Supna, Akh Da Nishana. These all with Speed Records. In 2017, he sung songs Bamchat and Lalkara with White Hill Music and Pegdi Vashna Gorilla War with Speed Records. In 2018, he sung Logo Mujhte with T-Series, Trending Nakhra and Difference with Bum Beats, Pariyan To Soni with Crown Records, Blood with Tu, Love You Ni Mutiare with Lok Dhun Punjabi, Collarbone with Bum Beats. Then in 2019, German Gun with Speed Records, Mithi Mithi with Crown Records, Subha Jatta in 2020 with Bum Beats, and in 2020 he also collaborated with Sidhu Moosewala for song Bambiha Bole, which is a record-breaking song as we have talked for. So, if we talk about his film career, in 2017 he played a role of Bali Dhillo in film Channa Mereya. He also got nominated for Best Debut Actor in Filmfare Awards Punjabi and also nominated for Best Negative Role at PTC Punjabi Film Awards for this one film. In 2018, he did two films, Long Lachi, in which he played a character of singer Jagtar Maan, and in film Aate Di Chidi, he played a role of Vikram. In 2019, he played a role of TBA in film Do Duni Punch. So these all movies were Punjabi movies. So Amrit Maan is an amazing actor and amazing person. If we talk about his qualifications, he was educated in Bathinda. He did M.Tech in software engineering from Swami Vivekanand Institute of Engineering and Technology, Ramnagar, Bhanur, Mohali. He was an average student and always wanted to make a career in entertainment industry. Amrit was active in co-curricular activities during his college days and used to do anchoring, dance and singing in the college's annual festivals. He used to write songs, and on his friend's advice, he sang one of his songs during a college function and received immense appreciation from the audience. So it was then he decided to make a career in this one field. He belongs to Sikh family. His father and mother both were teachers, and he has a younger brother, Lavjeet. His favorite food is Kadi Chawal. His favorite singers are Rahat Fateh Ali Khan and Gurdas Maan. His favorite color is black, and if we talk about pets, his hobbies include driving and gymming. He's a dog lover. He has a pet dog. So this was all about Amrit Maan. Before talking about Sidhu Moosewala, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notifications first, and also like this one video. I hope you are also enjoying the drawing too, so keep an eye on my drawing. Within few seconds this painting is going to be complete. I'm giving final touches to the painting. If you are a fan of Amrit Maan, please hit the like button and also comment which quality of Amrit Maan you like the most. And within few seconds this painting is going to complete, and we are heading towards Sidhu Moosewala. So now we are going to talk about Sidhu Moosewala. So Shubhdeep Singh Sidhu, better known as Sidhu Moosewala, is an Indian singer, lyricist, rapper and actor associated with Punjabi music and Punjabi cinema. His date of birth is 11 June 1993, and he started his career with writing lyrics of the song License sung by Ninja, and began his singing career with the duet song G-Wagon with Gurlez Akhtar. Following his debut, he collaborated with Brown Boys for various tracks which were released by Humble Music. Hailed in Musa, Punjab, Sidhu completed his graduation in Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College, Ludhiana, and shifted to Canada. He gained wide attention with his track So High. In fall 2018, he released his debut album TBX1, which peaked on Billboard Canadian album chart. Following the album, he started releasing his songs independently. Also, his single 47 was ranked on UK single chart. In 2020, Sidhu was named by The Guardian among the 50 new artists. 10 of his songs have peaked on UK Asian chart, 2 of which have topped the chart. His Bambiha Bole entered in top 5 on global YouTube music chart. For this song, we are going to draw this one painting also. So he was born in Sikh family to father Bhola Singh and mother Charan Kaur. In an interview, he disclosed that his father was in army and later joined police after suffering an injury during war. He studied at Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College, Ludhiana, and graduated in electrical engineering in 2016. He has also performed at DAV College Fest. Sidhu Moosewala admires and is influenced by rapper Tupac Shakur. He started listening hip-hop music from 6th grade and learned music skills from Harvinder Bittu in Ludhiana. He has close relations with his parents and has released tracks titled Dear Mama and Papu as of 2019. Moosewala resides in Brampton. He owns a black Range Rover SUV. If we talk about his career, after graduation, Sidhu Moosewala moved to Canada, and there he released his first song, G-Wagon. He started to perform live in India in 2018. He had also performed successful live shows in Canada. Moosewala got his breakthrough with song So High in 2017, a gangster rap collaboration with Big Bird. Also, he won Best Lyricist Award for the song at Brit Asia Music Awards. He continued his success with singles like Isa Jat, Tochan, Self-Made, Famous and Warning Shots. At 2018 PTC Punjabi Music Awards, he was nominated for Best New Age Sensation Award for Isa Jat. In August 2018, he launched his first film soundtrack song Dollar for the film Dakuan Da Munda. In October 2018, Sidhu released his debut album TDX1 of pop genre, which touch of hip hop. The album peaked on Canadian Album Chart by Billboard. Also, he won Best Album Award in 2019 with other 3 wins. In 2019, Moosewala founded a record label of his name and released numerous tracks on the record label. Releases include Sidhu's anthem Mafia Style, a collaboration Poison with Arnett, Sone Lagde, Homicide. Also, he released Boot Cut by Prem Dhillon as a producer. In June 2019, his concert at Surrey Music Festival was cancelled because of violent activities that had happened in Sidhu's past performances. His single 47 featuring Mist and Stefflon Don entered top 20 on UK mainstream weekly chart. Also, the song was ranked on New Zealand Hot 40 singles chart. Moosewala concluded the year with single Takka. In 2019, Spotify includes Sidhu in the list of most popular artists in the Punjab along Maninder Puttar and Karan Aujla. In 2020, he featured in Old School sung by Prem Dhillon. The song was followed by Tibbiyan Da Putt, which topped the iTunes charts and was ranked at number 8 on Apple Music charts in India. The song was followed by various singles including 911, 8 Cylinder. In May 2020, Sidhu announced his second studio album Snitches Get Stitches on his Instagram handle and was released on the same day. In the same month, he released his single Dear Mama on the occasion of Mother's Day. In June 2020, Sidhu collaborated with Amrit Maan for the song Bambiha Bole, which debuted at number 25 in India and 81 in Canada on Apple Music chart. Its music video was viewed over 10 million times within 24 hours. The song topped in India and entered top 50 in Canada and New Zealand on Apple Music chart. It topped the UK Asian charts and entered the top 5 in global YouTube charts as well. Sidhu Moosewala is also attached with some controversies also he has many controversies with Karan Aujla. Recently on 4 May 2020, Moosewala's 2 videos went viral in which he was training to use AK-47 with 5 police officers and a personal pistol in another. So this was also very controversial thing that recently happened to him. So if we talk about his acting career, Sidhu is making the debut in Punjabi cinema with the film titled Yes, I Am a Student under his own production company Just Like Studios. The film is directed by Taranveer Singh Jagpal and written by Gil Ronta. In 2019, Sidhu appeared in Teri Meri Jodi. Also, if we talk about politics, Sidhu Moosewala's mother Charan Kaur, who won the Sarpanch election from Moosa village in December 2018, Sidhu actively campaigned for his mother in the village. If we talk about songs of Sidhu Moosewala, these are So High, Takka, Tibbiyan Da Putt, Old School, Tochan, Jatt Da Muqabla, Dark Love, Sone Lagde, Just Listen, It's All About You, Back Sala, Devil, Legend, Dollar, famous I'm Better Now, B-Town, Dawood, Ajkalve, Death Route, Sidhu's Anthem, Jatti Jione Mode Vargi, Mafia Style, Self-Made, Hathiar, Brown Boy, Trend, Same Beat, Jatta, Chosen, East Side Flow, Kill Shot, Poison, Sanju, Gvachya, Gurbaksh, Patti, Jail, Self-Made Sache Namme, Sone Lagde, Town featuring Sunny Malton, Trucka Wali, G-Wagon, Dollar, Issa Jat, 47, Same Beat, Homicide, Flop Song, Russian Tank, TDX Sky. So these all were songs of Sidhu Moosewala. So I hope you liked the information and also you liked the painting too. If you liked the painting, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon to get notifications first. Please comment that which singer you admire the most, Sidhu Moosewala or Amrit Maan. I have spent 38 plus hours on this painting, so the result is quite good. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed a lot. So